How to install your C6304 wireless magnetic tow lights for vehicles under 80 inches wide. Please review all written installation instructions before you get started, then you may use this video as a reference while you work. First, twist both light bases counterclockwise to access the battery trays and install fresh AA batteries in both the left and right hand lights. Then, connect the transmitter to the 4-flat trailer plug on the towing vehicle. Clean the mounting surface and the transmitter's magnetic base before attaching the transmitter to a steel surface on the rear of the towing vehicle. On the left-hand light base, turn the switch to on, and to avoid scratches, clean the mounting surface on the left-hand and right-hand magnetic light bases before attaching the lights. For optimal visibility, place them as far apart as practical and at an equal distance from the sides of the vehicle being towed. If the lights are not aligned properly, detach them by tipping the lights to disengage the magnetic base before placing them on the vehicle again. Use a tie wrap to collect any loose cable between the lights. Then verify all stop, tail, turn functions work properly. Do not drive unless all functions work properly. Every 2 hours of operation, check that the battery LED indicator at the top of the left-hand light is not flashing and that all stop, tail, turn functions work properly. If the LED indicator is flashing, install 8 new AA batteries immediately. When finished, return the lights to their original package for storage. If the package is unavailable, keep them in a bag to keep the magnets clear of debris.